Hey, what's up, YouTube? I got the Cadillac out the shop. It was sitting there for the last 6 weeks. Nothing was getting done with it. Pretty much come to the conclusion that if I want the car done, I'm gonna have to do it myself. So I went and bought a stripper. I'm gonna strip the rest of the paint off of it. The guy did my guy, Troy, he did a great job with the quarters. That was the worst part of the car. They were rusted out. It was all fucked up. So, the quarters are perfect. But we just got to get the rest of it done. So I'm going to take all the paint off myself. My buddy Steve is going to show me how to mix primer. I'm going to buy a little cheap spray off Amazon, and I'll do one panel at a time. So I'll strip this fender, and then I'll put it in primer. He'll come over, check it out, make sure my body work is good. And we also got a guy that's going to do the top. I'm going to put a red top on it, well, a maroon top. It's going to be $2,100 for the maroon top. And then the car is going to be painted wolf gray. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully it'll start right up. I may have to jump it because it's been sitting for a while, but come look at this quarter over here. So after I get all that done, get the top done, then we're going to move to the interior and we're going to come up with a color scheme for that. It's probably going to be either wolf gray interior with red piping around the seats, or red seats with wolf gray piping around the seats. So that'll be a while from now. But we're almost there. It's coming along. Come look at the motor. That thing started up on the first bump. That's that Holly fuel system in there. So let's get it off the trailer. Get it in